Small example. One student is there, student A and student B. First student is telling, okay, maybe this student is like you or like me, you can decide. I will start seriously preparation for the next month, from the next month. One student is telling, student A is telling, I will start preparation very seriously from next month onwards. Believe me, man, next month onwards, I cut all my activities, only books, only study like. But student B saying, I will study only 10 minutes from today onwards every day. From today onwards every day, I will study at least 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes every day I will study. And I don't want to wait until next month to study huge time. Today onwards, at least 10 minutes I'm going to study. Student B, whose approach is the recommended approach? First one or second one?
B.
Yes, obviously, student B approach is always recommended, right? Recommended. Now see this one. After one day, student A has zero progress. Student B has small progress. He studied 10 minutes, right? He studied 10 minutes. So student B having small progress. After 30 days, student A still planning. But after 30 days, student B have 300 minutes of practice. Every day 10 minutes, 30 days, 300 minutes of practice. After 1 year, student says, I don't know why I'm not improving. Student A is going to say after 1 year. But student B, I improved because I started small and continued. Observe the difference, man. Most of the times, our mentality is also like student A, right?
Yes, sir.
Come out of that. If you want to achieve big success in your life, you are not required to do bigger things. Okay, you are not required to do bigger things. You are required to do small actions only, but consistently every day. This is the secret. This is the mantra for your success. Remember that. Just at least 10 minutes every day I'm going to spend, man. Per month, 300 minutes of practice. But for the person who is telling, next month onwards I will do. Very perfectly like that person, zero progress even after completing 1 month. After 1 year, that person is going to tell, I don't know why I'm not improving. The reason is you didn't start the action. Okay? The person who starts small will defeat the person who only dreams big, who is planning big, who is dreaming big. The person who starts the action for small, this person definitely is going to beat that person. 2 minutes action is more powerful than 20 hours of planning. 2 minutes action is more powerful than, 2 hours of planning. Action is the most important start. How small it is, no problem at all. No issue at all. How this one is the small? No issue at all.